Here's your super quick lesson in how to cable. So you're working along, your pattern calls for a cable, and your pattern will specify exactly how many stitches you're cabling, which direction it's leading, and how many stitches go on which side. So say our pattern calls for a 4-stitch cable, and it's a left-leaning cable. We're going to take a cable needle, take the first 2 stitches on your left needle off, bring them to the front. And then we're going to knit the next 2 stitches as usual. Then we'll take the stitches from our cable needle, put it back on our left needle. And now these first 2 stitches are crossing over the back 2 stitches, which makes them slant leftwards, which is why it's a left leaning cable. And we just knit those 2 stitches, and we just created a cable.